what's going on, guys? Welcome to another Spool Me Up. So today I'm here with Harry, respect, and Harry's bought his Audi S1 Quattro, and this is a competition spec one. So what's the difference between the competition spec and the normal one? Because I know it's about £4,000 in price difference.
Not much really.
So what are you getting with the competition one?
Carbon wing mirrors.
Okay.
Black plastics. So it comes with the black grille standard.
Yeah.
Which I've changed anyway, so it's pretty pointless.
Yeah.
The stickers on the back, which everyone seems to do, like especially the boot one.
Yeah.
The stickers on the back are just satisfactory.
Okay.
Crappy little bits inside like this.
Really?
But it's not much, to be perfectly honest.
But there's a lot in price difference. So I think it's about 24 for the base of this and 28 for the competition one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're paying £4,000 just for a little bit of carbon and some trim, really. Yeah. What about these seats? Because are these seats standard?
No, not in a box spec S1.
Yeah.
But so these are classed as Quattro interior,
right,
and Quattro exterior packs.
Right. Okay.
But they come as standard on the competition spec.
Right.
So it's basically a spec up S1 that they put a name on.
Right. Okay. And what are these? These are 230 as standard, isn't they?
Yeah.
230, and you are now pushing out.
Unconfirmed, but last time I run was 360, and I've changed the turbo and it's been mapped again since that. Okay. So it should be 400.
So you're around the 400 mark, yeah. You're around the 400 mark, yeah? Yeah. Okay, cool. And yeah, because me and Harry, we did have a head-to-head the other night, guys, and I got to put my hands up. Harry beat me. I'm running 370, and he's got about 200 kilos extra. I'm not making no excuses, by the way, but no, he did beat me, but I'm coming for you again, Harry. It will be around too.
That's all right, mate.
But yeah, no, this thing is quick, man. There's no denying it at all. So you're at the 400 mark. So what turbo are you running on there now?
So it's IS38, which is the Golf R turbo. Basically.
Yeah, that's in the Golf R and the S3. Yeah. And what else has been done to it?
So this car has been used for quite a bit of development. The intercooler is Pro Alloy, which they built on this car, made on this car, and now it's in production. Revo induction kit, which again was the first one in the UK on this car. Yeah. Full Milltek exhaust.
Turbo back?
Yeah, turbo back.
Yeah. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
20.
20. So is this ain't your first car, is it?
My third car.
Your third car? Okay, so what did you have previous to this?
My first car was just literally to get my no clings bonus out.
Yeah.
Which is a Punto.
Right.
1.4 pure power.
Yeah.
It was about 70 something brake. Then I went to 1 litre Fiesta.
Okay.
Same as Clayton's you reviewed.
Okay, the Eco Boost thing, yeah.
Mine was the flip of his, mine was the black edition.
Right.
Which I went a bit OTT on, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
Running the same power, 180 brake, but then mine was bagged, had a massive audio system in.
Yeah.
Literally everything you could physically get on it was done.
Yeah.
Which I kind of regret selling it a little bit, but power's better.
Yeah. So what made you like come to this? So I mean, was this brand new when you bought it? Okay. So why did you choose the S1?
I test drove basically all the hot hatches, so M140i's, Golf R's, S3's, and then this. And as of standard, this was the best drive. Okay. I mean, I know you can, like with the S3's, you can map them up and make them a lot better. Yeah. And granted, they are a lot better, but out the box, the raw sort of feel of the car, this is better. Yeah. It reminds me a lot. The interior does remind me a lot of the S3, this one. It's basically an S3 downsized. Yeah. Considering it's running a similar block, it's now running an S3 turbo. Yeah, okay. Engine-wise, so you've had turbo changed, you got catback, exhaust system, yeah? Yeah, what, turbo back? Yeah. Turbo back, sorry, yeah. Induction. Intercooler. Yeah.
What about injectors? Anything like that been changed?
No, the only thing I've changed is to colder plugs because I've got a more boost.
Okay, so what plugs you got in there now? S3 plugs?
RS7.
RS7 plugs, yeah. So do you need, because this is a 2 litre TFSI or TSI?
It's a bit of a grey area. They haven't really classified it as such as any of them.
Right, okay.
Because the old gen was TFSI, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This is sort of in between.
Right.
I believe.
Okay. So what are these blocks? Because it's quite a strong block anyway, isn't it? Even the old TFSI is quite a strong block and very tunable block as well.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, I know. So this is not the same, similar engine to the new S3 and Golf R, but not
very, very similar. But the head doesn't flow as well.
Okay.
Pistons haven't got as much cooling properties on them.
Right.
So these blocks, unproven. Well, someone's had a forged engine blow at 500.
Right.
In one of these.
Okay.
But people have been running 470, 480 with nothing.
Right.
And they've been running alright. So apparently like 480 is the limit.
Okay.
But limits are there to be pushed, aren't they? So.
Yeah. So PCV delete, do you have to do any of that?
Yeah, it's got a Racingline catch can system on.
Oh, you've got. That's pretty nippy, isn't she?
She's alright.
Yeah, as I know. Yeah, it's deceiving. It's quite deceiving speed though. I didn't think you was doing that. I felt a bit slower than what when I actually looked over the speed. I did feel a little bit slower.
It's quite a safe car, as in that aspect.
Yeah.
You don't really see what you're doing. You don't feel what you're doing.
Yeah. So 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Is it a permanent 4-wheel drive? Or is it a Haldex system on
it? It
this?
is a Haldex system.
Right.
But apparently, from what I've heard from the grapevine, it's slightly different to the S3s, TTRSs, all that.
Yeah.
Apparently these do run permanent 60/40.
Okay. Well, VRS. You tried it? He got the same engine as you though, isn't he? In those ones?
Yeah, but they're already front-wheel drive, aren't they?
Yeah, true. And as we know, I know what's like, I get up against a 4-wheel drive car, having a front-wheel drive myself.
And they're slightly heavier than me.
Yeah. Because this only weighs in at 1300, doesn't it? Yeah.
Not with me in it, but yeah.
Sounds nice, man, when it's on full tap. It's not too intrusive when we're just cruising along, but when you put your foot down, it does sound quite nice, man. God, these seats are similar to the wingback seats that's in the S3, aren't they? Just missing that little extension there, but it's alright, man.
They're not bad seats, but I think they will be coming out.
Really?
Yeah.
What are we going to put in place?
Full set of buckets.
Oh, is it?
A couple of harnesses. I want to put a cage in it as well.
Really? So what you thinking? Have you took this on track yet?
Yeah, once round Coombe.
How did you do?
It needs a lot of work. That's one thing I will say.
What, chassis wise?
Yeah.
Stiffening and all that?
I mean, it needs stiffening up. It understeers a little bit.
Yeah, most 4-wheel drive cars do.
But the main thing it needs is a wing. It needs some downforce on the back.
Yeah.
As you'll feel now when you drive it, the back end gets a bit hairy. Feels like it's a rear-wheel drive car.
Really? Yeah, it actually feels like I'm in the S3. It's strange, man. Cabin space isn't too bad either.
No.
But there's nothing in the back there though, is there?
No, not really. You'll get a person in, but I wouldn't let it be there for more than an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, that clutch is really light, isn't it?
Weird. much is because it feels like it's going to kill you.
Okay.
That's another thing I need to change.
The clutch, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it a dual masses on that? Yeah. So we can go for single, yeah? No?
Just an upgraded friction plate, really.
Right.
Well, actual, just replace the clutch for it. But then, everyone, like, on the S1 page and that, people are having clutches go standard.
Right.
I mean, this is done 14k. It's still got a standard clutch in.
Right.
It's running 400 brake. And was running 400 foot-pound of torque on the old map.
It doesn't feel that torquey though, I've got to say. But it does feel lively.
But don't get me wrong, when the clutch is changed, I will go custom mapping, sort of flat foot shifting, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, that's going to be one of my boxes I got to tick for when you meet me again. I'll be flat foot shifting, boy.
That's alright, mate. I'm still confident.
Good, good. I like your confidence. I like it.
On a cold morning it will spin.
Really? That front end feels lively, boy. Oh, there's the under tray again. It's only at that speed when it starts coming.
It's only the very back on one clip as well. On the front.
Okay.
And technically you shouldn't do it, but was I changing 4 tyres when I had 6 mil on the back?
No.
And it's got Eagle F1s on the back.
Eagle F1s, okay. Asymmetric F1s, yeah. It's supposed to be quite a good tyre though.
I rate the back tyres better than the front.
Okay.
Because I had them all round before the front ones were white.
So you got PS4s or 4Ss?
4Ss.
4Ss.
No, sorry, 4s.
4s, okay.
Don't do 4Ss on 18s.
Ah, right, okay.
I don't rate them, to be honest.
You been a passenger before?
No. Well, yeah, once actually. But no one driving it in abuse, like. So.
I was not abusing it, man. We're not quite redlining.
It's the idea of it, mate. I drive it with abuse, so.
It's your car. She's starting to pop now.
It's because she's hot.
And you have flames coming out the other night, innit?
Well, you said so.
You did, mate. Honestly, there were flames coming out, man. I like it, man. She drives. It's like, I suppose it's the equivalent. It's the modern day pocket rocket, isn't it?
It's a quick car for what it is, like.
Yeah, definitely, man.
It's not got the balls out straight line speed of some of the bigger cars, but throwing a few corners into the mix.
Yeah, the twisty stuff.
See you later.
Yeah. For a standard setup, there's not much body roll in there.
When it's got a set of coilies on it, I reckon it'd be a lot better.
Oh yeah.
On track as well.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That is the next protocol, brakes and suspension.
So guys, gonna draw the video to an end there. I gotta say a maximum respect goes out to Harry for bringing the S1 Quattro to the channel. And as always guys, you know the score. Until next time, you lot travel safe and peace out.
Yeah, hey yo, I'm feeling blessed. Now sit back and observe days I used to ride bikes. Pegs in the curb, swerve through traffic. music, headphones on with Stillmatic.